This year's Farm Progress Show from August 27th to 29th in Decatur, Illinois is coming up fast, so be sure to download the show's mobile app for your iPhone or Android smartphone. Find out more at the Farm Progress Show website at farmprogressshow.com.
Good morning, now 10 before 5, and time to get back into the swing of things with Bryce Knorr of Farm Futures. Good morning, Bryce.
Well, good morning, Mick.
Well, last week, painful in the markets. It looks like we're starting with the same kind of hurt this morning.
Yeah, we tried to turn around the bean market on Friday, at least in the November contract, with a reversal higher. That's not holding up this morning, however. November beans down 11 1/4, 12, 17 1/4, so we're seeing more follow-through selling after one of the biggest one-week declines in history in that soybean market.
Wow, and could we do that again this week, or are we down to levels where there could be a technical bounce?
Yeah, I think we pretty much cleared out a lot of the long positions in the market, so we'll probably try to find some stability, although we still could see another almost 40 to 50 cents down before we really hit some rock bottom chart support on that November contract.
Oh, man, and then what kind of recovery, or any, or will it just kind of plateau there for a while?
Well, I think we have to see what the weather is going to be for the rest of the growing season. The cool and wet weather we've been having over much of the Midwest has been beneficial for crops, but I think there will be some talk now as to whether or not there's going to be enough growing degree days to really finish the crops off, particularly as we start to get past the August 12th USDA report. USDA is doing their survey of producers now on their yields and acreage, and that will become, I think, the focus of the market here. So we should see at least some stability in these markets after perhaps another day or two of a washout.
Yeah, well, a little concern here. It has been pretty cool the last week up here in the northern Corn Belt, but starting to get back to a little bit more normal. But still, yeah, we haven't had much crop development. Great for the small grains, but not great for the corn here this week.
Yeah, so far the crops look good from the road, so I think the market will be taking a look at the crop progress report out this afternoon at 3 p.m., and as long as that shows pretty much stability, I don't think that cool weather will become much of an issue yet.
All right, Bryce, what kind of a week can we expect in livestock?
Well, the cool weather hasn't been good for the barbecuers, but we are starting to see some stability in the cash cattle market. It's really gotten beat up. So that could start to turn around that market, or at least put a floor in there. Hogs look like they're going the other way with the prospect for cheap corn increasing production, particularly in 2014.
All right. Well, Bryce, we always appreciate it when you get up early on a Monday and steer us in the right direction for the markets. Thanks a lot.
Good to be back.
You bet. And we'll talk to you again next Monday.